This is a play-along guitar workout where we're going to focus on 4 different spider exercises. This will improve your finger speed, control, and dexterity. The drum beat's set at 70 BPM. You can use YouTube's control settings to either slow down or speed up the exercises. Exercise 1 is the basic spider walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise 1 complete. Good job. Now exercise 2 is an alternate spider walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now on to exercise 3, pyramid spider walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now on to the final exercise, sustained spider walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, guys. Exercise complete. Well done. Let me know if these videos are useful. This is a new channel, so please like and subscribe. I appreciate it a lot. See you in the next workout. Thank you.